Hello, this is introduction video, so I'll tell you what we'll learn in the next few videos, exactly 7. But before I do that, I'm going to tell you something more about me. First, my name is Maria Rikic, and to learn more about me, you can go to the website and you can see my LinkedIn page, my blog, or Facebook page. Or you can go to my website and see what I like. Okay, so for the videos, we are going to learn in the first video how to make a web structure, basic web structure. In the second video, we are going to learn about basic tags like P tag for paragraph, H1 to H6, which are heading tags, how to add an image to a page, and how to add a link. In third video, we are going to learn how to format those tags. In the fourth video, we are going to learn the CSS styles for our page. In the fifth video, we are going to learn how to add Google Fonts to a page. In the sixth video, we are going to learn about tables, how to create very basic table. And in the seventh video, we are going to learn how to create an ordered and unordered list. So that's it. I hope you like it, and thank you for watching.